China's top soccer championship wrapped up a few weeks ago with Beijing's Guoan taking their first ever Super League title. But the league has been hit by allegations of match fixing and gambling and has launched a nationwide investigation. According to reports in the Chinese media, more than 100 people are being investigated by police, including the players, coaches, and some officials.
Former Chinese national coach Qi Wusheng is believed to be amongst those under investigation during a probe that began more than a year ago. This large-scale investigation has sparked huge discussion around China, and our researcher Kevin Jia has been keeping up to date with the latest developments, as well as gauging online reaction to the story. From China's huge web community, Kevin joins us now from the newsroom. Kevin, what seems to be the majority view on this case?
Well, most people support the investigation because they think that this time it's very serious. There have been other allegations of match fixing in the past, but little has happened. Other internet users are saying that this time the police is taking real action because the central government has urged them to do that. Both Chinese President Hu Jintao and Vice President Xi Jinping recently spoke about the need of revitalize soccer. Bloggers say they really hope the game here can be improved.
Kevin, what are the media outlets here in China saying about this issue?
Actually, the case has been covered by most of the major Chinese media outlets, and they're optimistic about the outcome and say the investigation into Chinese soccer is long overdue. The China Youth Daily newspaper said there's finally light at the end of the tunnel, but it's been a long, dark road to get to this point. And the Liaosheng Evening News said that the relevant power looking into the allegations have a real chance to clean up Chinese soccer once and for all. They expect significant results after the investigation.
Thanks, Kevin. Well, the situation in China mirroring the situation in Europe. We've got a big match-fixing investigation going on there. It seems all aspects of the sport, good and bad, are coming to China.
Yeah, and this is obviously here in China an ongoing investigation. Seems like we get a little bit of news coming from that investigation every week or so, but make no mistake, there is a huge amount of money at stake on a rigged game. Basically 3 million yuan, which works out to around $440,000 US for a rigged game. If the game that is supposed to be rigged, if the outcome isn't what was expected, that number actually doubles. So it's an immense amount of money, and you can certainly understand why the authorities are taking this very seriously.